Yun guys, ay update po natin ang ating tax sa ating YouTube. And then, punta po tayo dito sa ating YouTube studio. Sa dashboard po, ay makikita mo po dito. Ayan, sa dashboard po, makikita mo po dito. Ayan po, action needed. Your US tax form will expire at the end of 2024. Resubmit it in AdSense as soon as possible to make sure accurate withholding taxes are applied. So, kailangan tayo mag-resubmit ng tax information. So, hindi tayo dito mag-resubmit. Dito tayo sa email. Dadaan tayo sa email. Ayan. Or Gmail. So, ito yung Gmail ko. Andito yung ayan. So, ito, YouTube creators, your US tax form expires soon. Update US tax form today. And, ayan. So, pindutin natin yan. And then, so, ito na nga yun. US tax form expires at the end of 2024. So, dito tayo, sign in tayo sa ating Google AdSense or sa ating AdSense. Ayan, sign in. Ayan. So, ngayon, naka-sign in na po tayo. So, ito na po yung Google AdSense natin, no? Ayan po, may makikita ka po dito. So, dito po, yung mababasa mo is wala dito yung tax info na pinapa-resubmit. Ang nakalagay dito, due to where, ganyan-ganyan. So, ipindutin natin tong arrow. Ito. Ayan po. So, ayan na po, manage tax info, learn more or dismiss. So, ima-manage natin siya. Kaya, pindutin natin yung manage tax info. Ayan. So, nakita nyo po ito. Oh, ayan. To avoid any delays on your payout and to make sure the right amount of tax is withheld, make sure to provide your tax info as soon as possible. Okay? So, Google may be legally required to collect your Singapore tax info because it's where you earn income or receive payout. So, adding your tax info will help determine the correct withholding amount applied to you. So, ito, add tax tayo dito. Add tax info. Okay? So, before you start, expect to take 5 to 10 minutes. So, kailangan natin siya laanan ng oras kasi medyo matagal. Have a PDF, PNG, or JPEG of a tax status document such as the tax residency certificate or tax exemption document or articles of incorporation. Make sure the document you upload is clear and if applicable in color. Confirm in settings you're using the right payments profile. Profile ba yan? Tama ba? Ayan. Your tax info will be applied to the payments profile use. So, start form. So, ito, enter lang natin yung ating, sign in lang natin yung ating account ng ating YouTube channel. So, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi yung mga ganito is on the spot talaga to. Wala kang pwedeng matanungan kundi yung sarili mo lang. So, magre-rely ka lang talaga doon sa mga nabasa mo and kailangan mo talaga intindihin kung ano yung pinapalagay niya. Kasi wala ka talagang matanungan. Okay? Ang the best way is magbasa ka talaga and intindihin. Okay, so ito na. Singapore in tax information. Your tax rate will be calculated based on the information you provide here. If you claim tax exempt status, you may be taxed at a lower rate. The info you provide will apply to all Google services that require tax info. So, business info. What is your business type? So, ang type ko is individual. Do you have a permanent establishment in Singapore? No. Are you registered for Singapore Goods and Services Tax? No. Unique entity number option? Wala. Tax exemptions. Are you eligible for tax exemption? So, eligible ba daw tayo sa tax exemption? Yes. Documents. So, wala tayo niyan. Make sure the information in your document exactly match the information on your Google Payments profile. Files must be PDF. Ulitin ko, tax residency to help Google determine our withholding and reporting requirements. Please select your tax residency country, region, and upload tax residency certificate issued by your local government. So, ano to? ID. Kailangan natin ng ID.
Mama, ating cellphone.
So, kailangan natin ng ID dito. Ayan. Kasi sabi, valid tax residency certificate must. So, kailangan din ng ID para mas mapatunayan natin na taga Pinas talaga tayo. Okay, so, does this document have an expiration date?
Mama,
Po, no.
ating cellphone. Cellphone?
Okay,
Ito, cellphone.
upload. And dapat po, yung information ng documents na in-upload mo is, sakto doon sa iyong YouTube channel, yung information. Ito ID ko, sakto to sa aking YouTube channel. Syempre, yung pangalan ko, yung birthday ko, ganyan. Yung address, ayun, same. Then, submit. So, your tax info is in review. So, okay na siya. Nasubmit na natin. Itong araw na to, ayan, September 16, 2024. Okay. So, in status na siya. Ayan. Your tax info in review. We'll use the default application tax rules for your tax residency country until your info is accepted. So, reviewing may take up to 7 business days, so 1 week. You'll receive an email when your tax info is accepted. If needed, you may receive an email requesting more info. So, okay na? So, ganun lang po ang gagawin, no? So, medyo mahirap na nalito din ako. And, so, okay na siya. Thank you. Okay na siya.